Hello everyone, and welcome to my Pokemon card pack opening. Today, we are going to be opening up 10 Burning Shadows packs. And of course, we are going to be in search of that Rainbow Rare Charizard. Now, I know I'm a bit late, but I would still really like to pull that card. Now, I'm also kind of new to opening Burning Shadows packs. So hopefully, I have some beginner's luck. And all these packs were pulled out of a booster box, so I'm gonna hope we got the good ones. Okay, so let's begin. Pack 1 of 10. Well, one more thing. I'm really new to making videos, so I apologize for anything I do that a lot of other people might do. So, I hope you like it. And all of the code cards will be given at the end to any subscribers or anybody that cares to like this video or anything like that. Now, I don't remember. Well, I guess we'll figure out how the first pack goes. Okay. So, we're going to do our 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. And we'll go with, we got a Steel Energy. We got a Wobbuffet. Got a Wick, not bad. Sviper, Venipede, Sandygast, Morlul, Crabrawler, Stuffle, Darkrai as the reverse holo, and on the end a Persian. So no luck for our first pack. And also I apologize if I mispronounce anything because I am very nervous. So here's our second pack. This little tab they put on there is making it a bit hard to open, or I'm just nervous. That's definitely it. To our 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. We got our Lightning Energy, Mount Lanakila, Kawi, Kaiwi, Simisear, Wimpod, Alolan Vulpix, Meowth, Riolu, love that art, Alolan Grimer, Super Scoop as the reverse holo, and a Bruxish. Definitely my favorite. Everyone's favorite. Okay, pack number 3. Let's hope we have better luck. Or maybe we just got all the bad packs out of the booster box. That would be incredibly unlucky. One, 2, 3, 4 to the front. We got a Fire Energy. Okay. Escape Rope. No idea. Sophocles. Definitely butchered that. Rubombi. Tangela. Hoot. Sandygast. Rhyhorn. Meryl. Love the yarn. Diancie as the reverse holo, and Slowking on the end. So we're 0 for 3. Bad luck. Really bad luck. Actually, I usually push up the cards to the top. Just makes it easier getting them out. This sticker's a very bad spot. That's why it's not ripping right. Oh. Well. Hey, at least we know we're getting something good this time, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. And we got a Water Energy. Seadra. Charmeleon. Whirlipede. Alolan Rattata. Mudbray, Magikarp. Magikarp is one of my favorite, but Charizard's always going to be my favorite. Pansear, Krogunk, Mount Lanakila, and on the end, a full art trainer card, Acerola. Ooh, I'm not gonna lie, I did see the little shine and I was getting kind of excited. But a full art trainer card is really nice. Ooh. Don't worry, I'll sleeve everything just off camera. Ooh, that's just beautiful. Ooh. Okay, well, at least we got one good thing. This is pack number 5. Jeez, I don't want to open these up upside down, but I might have to resort to that. Yeah, get rid of that. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. We have Steel Energy, unless I'm wrong. Heatmore, Lana, Tormenting Spray. Just give them a nice little pepper spray. I'm sure they'll love it. These are like really miscut. Is that just me? No, this side is definitely a lot smaller than this side. Ladybug, really weird looking art, but I do like it. Cutiefly, Horsey, Venipede, Sneasel, Olivia as the reverse, and Turtonator. You know, one time I pulled a GX of Turtonator, and it was hard to be excited. Also seems like we're getting a lot of reverse hollows as or trainer cards as reverse hollows. So we're on to pack number 6. One, two, 3, 4. Got Psychic Energy, Kirlia, Olivia, Lunatone, Stuffle, Noibat, Sock, Esper, looking confused, Pansage, just saying hello, Zygarde as the reverse, Synotic, whichever one it might be, as the end. Okay, we only got 4 packs left. I saved my favorite pack art for last, so let's hope it contains something good. So we have a Water Energy, Super Scoop Up, Palmyra, Seadra, Alolan Vulpix, always nice to see, Hoot, Ladybug, Mudbray, Horsey again, still love that art, Meryl as the reverse, always really like those yarn ones, and Malamar, non-hollow. Oh, okay. 3 packs left. Which one you like? Let's go with middle. We're gonna open them up all, of course. Or open them all up, of course. Let's just hope this has something nice in it. I'm just butchering these packs. I apologize. we have Fire Energy, Charmeleon, Buffalant, yeah, Olivia, Wimpod, Togedemaru, definitely one of the most fun names to say, Dewpider, Cutiefly again, seems to be in every single pack that we have, Riolu, Noctowl as the reverse, Crabominable. I don't know if that was better. Crabominable. There we go. Okay. So, we're down to 2 packs, and the only thing that we got was an Acerola. Still very happy. Looks like this is pretty well cut. This top might be a bit, ooh, that top is a bit miscut. Yeah. A little rough around the edges. Jeez. Still, a really nice card. 2 more packs. I guess the full art trainer card was my beginner's luck. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. We got the Dark Energy, Heatmore, Weakness Policy, Potown, Riolu, Rhyhorn, Tangela, Dewpider, Noibat, Malamar as the reverse, and on the end we have a Toxicroak. Still, no holo. Will our last pack contain a holo? Or is this going to be just an extremely unlucky pack opening? Oh, fingers crossed. Maybe, just maybe, Rainbow Charizard isn't here. I doubt it. But I can dream, right? Okay, Steel Energy, Super Scoop as the second card, again, Sviper, Rom-Tom Dex Pokefinder mode. I did not know that this actually had different modes. Sneasel, Crabrawler, Ralts, saving all the flowers from the snow, I think. No, it's not snowing, and those are just clouds, and I just can't interpret the art right. Inkay, Dewpider, Panpour, and on the end, Tangrowth. Oh wow, that is just unfortunate. That the only thing that we got out of 10 packs was a full art Acerola. Oh boy. Just that little rough around the edges too. Jeez. That is really unlucky. Okay, you know what? I have one more pack. Just let me go grab it. I have one Unbroken Bonds booster pack that I got on a little trip, and I was hoping by getting it in a different state that maybe it would have something good in it. Maybe our little boys right here on the front. So let's see if we can have a little bit more luck. So, I've seen people open these up many different ways. I've seen that be one of the easiest. Let's see if the pack art matches the inside. It does not. Okay. Or the pack art matches the outside, I should say. Now, the only problem is, I haven't opened one of these packs before, so I don't know exactly how, I know the card trick is 4 to the front, but where that code card is. Exactly. So we're gonna hope that it is not facing this way. Oh, that's not good. Here you go, you can have that. Well, we're gonna go to our 4 to the front with our fighting energy. Sorry, that was a little bit off camera. Triple acceleration energy spinner, definitely not a fidget spinner. Rhydon, Sandile, Meowth, cuddling with his little stuffed animals. Grubbin, little clay Grubbin, super cute. Geodude doing some rock climbing. Litten, Wooper as the reverse, Hollow, and Slazel. Wow. I knew that one wasn't going to be good, but this is what we have to show for it. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed my really bad luck with 10 broken bonds, 10 Burning Shadows packs, and this is all I have to show for it, and 1 Unbroken Bonds pack. Oh. Well, this is not how I wanted the video to go, but I do know that the Burning Shadows pull rates and Unbroken Bonds pull rates are very low on getting something good, so I am happy with this. So, for anybody that does watch this, I have no idea exactly how many people will. Probably not that many, but for the few that might, thank you very much, at least for making it this far, and not the people that just come to try to take all the codes. So, thank you all for coming. If you like this, please let me know, give it a like or something, or subscribe to me. Maybe if it gets a little bit of a, if people show some interest, maybe I'll do more of these. So, yeah, and for the code cards, if you want them, just comment, and I'll give them to someone who wants to subscribe and comments, or maybe shares this video. I mean, they definitely didn't have the worst luck possible, but probably one of the worst videos I've seen. I've also haven't gone that long. We went 9-1 to no hollows. That was really bad. Like look at all this. Green, green, green. There's the one. Green, 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 green. All just green. That's not good. Oh, and that's very surprising, but whatever. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Again, I'm very nervous. I'm sorry about the background. It's a little bit just haphazardly thrown together. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.